So, hi guys! Ngayong June 16, 2020 ay share ko naman kung ano yung strategy when it comes to trading stocks, local stocks, and of course, the global markets. So, kapag IPO, like for example, this Merrimart, I'm more on the fundamental side kasi wala ka namang makikitang chart dyan. So, tinitingnan ko all about the company, its plans, and of course, its financial statements, the valuation, and of course, yung bottom line is kung ano yung magiging decision mo based on the valuations and other possible advantages and disadvantages. But for, yeah, kahit for IPO, I'm not recommending it to buy, to sell, or kung ano mang strategy yan. It's for you actually to decide. Kasi nga, pera mo yan. Even actually sa mga technicals, hindi ko sinasabi na it's a buy or it's a sell. So, ikaw na ang bahalang mag-decide. Basta sasabihin ko lang what's my opinion and what's I'm looking at. So, kapag may history naman, like for example, this max, syempre aside from the fundamental side is, of course, tinitingnan ko yung basic charting. So, ano ba yung basic charting? It's actually the support. Ano ba yung support? Ito yung amount or yung price kung saan kapag pumunta sa price na yan or level na yan, ang daming buyer na bumibili. So, ang tendency is it pushes the price higher. So, buy at support and of course, sell at resistance. So, yung resistance naman, ito yung price or level na kung pumunta dyan, ay madami nang nakaabang na seller, kaya syempre bumabagsak yung price. And of course, also watch out for the possible breakout and the breakdown. Aside from that is of course the basic trend. Ano ba yung trend ng tinitingnan ng stocks or asset? Uptrend ba siya, downtrend, or trendless, or consolidating? So, yun. And of course, kung meron man akong tinitignan na indicator, basic lang din. It's actually the RSI. But I can trade actually even without the indicator, just reading the chart or the candlestick reading, or pwedeng Hikinashi or the Renko. So, kung gagamit ako ng indicator, actually the basic din na RSI, usually ang setup ko 75-25 or 80 at saka 20. So, yun mga setup ko. Hindi siya yung default na 70-30. Kasi pwede mo siya actually baguhin dito. Like for example this, ang setup ko dito is 80-20. But minsan ginagamit ko din yung 75-25. So, RSI is actually relative strength index, pero para sa akin, it's the basic resistance support index. So, after nyan, so, nandyan na yung candlestick, yung mga basic. And of course, syempre, kailangan is you measure the possible risk-reward. Ano ba yung possible kung kitain at ano yung possible kung ikalugi. So, yan. So, you should also decide kung anong risk-reward ratio ang gagamitin mo or fit para sa'yo. Kasi it's actually subjective. So, next is, of course, pakita ko lang kasi yung Renko dito kasi gumagamit ako niyan. So, ito yung Hikinashi, yung candles, yung basic candles, and of course, yung Renko. Sa global stocks. I mean, sa global market. So, yan yung Renko. So, para rin siyang actually yung Hikinashi. So, maliban dyan is, of course, yung proper position size. Especially kung gumagamit ka ng leverage. Ang ginagamit ko lang normally is, I think maximum 25 leverage. I mean, gumagamit ako ng maximum leverage na up to 500 times. Pero, syempre, yung position size ko is kinokontrol ko siya. Hindi ko, syempre, pinuposition lahat or near halos lahat na is ma-post ko na. So, ginagamit ko lang 25 kunwari. Ang possible maximum size ko is 1 million. So, 25% ng 1 million, that's actually that's actually 250. So, ganun lang yung pinopost ko. Yun yung max. maximum position na i-open ko. So, aside from that is of course, always diversify your portfolio. So, sabi ko nga, ano ba yung portfolio ko dito? So, wait. I'm checking my, ito, yung total portfolio nyo. Siyempre, kailangan diversified din yan. And, of course, balance. So, makikita nyo dyan, for me it's a balance para sa akin and diversified. In my case, kasi medyo positive ako or long-term talaga ako, is maganda yung sa cryptocurrencies. Kasi kaya, yung percentage ko makikita mo naman is actually napaka-bullish ko, 64.88%. Diyan ako nag-trade. Maliban dyan, dinagdag ko na rin yung commodities and global indices and global stocks kasi nga yung exchange na pinag-trade-tradean ko is actually ang collateral mo ay Bitcoin. So, this is also part of cryptocurrency. And of course, meron din akong cooperative and local Philippine stocks. And of course, cash in bank. So, that's the composition of my portfolio. So, ano ba? Yeah, for me, it's also the patience. Minsan, magantay ka lang sa price level na gusto mo. Kasi, minsan yung iba is hinahabol yung market. Wag ganun. Just chill lang at magantay hanggang sa madan yung price mo kung madadan siya. And, or kung hindi naman, dami namang pwedeng i-trade. So, wag ka lang mag-focus sa kung ano yung tinitignan mo. And, yeah, I think the rest, of course, your greediness. So, yun nga, kapag TP na, makita yung TP mo, yeah, okay na yun. Wag yung, ay, umakyat pa, ay sayang. O kaya naman, since kung umakyat-akyat siya, alam mo yun, hindi ka na naglagay ng TP price mo hanggang sa nag-reverse yung market na tapos na-liquidate. Imbis na kumita ka, nalugi ka na, or na-liquidate ka pa, worst case. So, mga ganong klase. And of course, last siguro is, I think hindi ko nabanggit, it's about the liquidity din, of course. So, syempre, just trade stocks na may, na liquid din. Wag yung stock na, alam mo yon yung 1,000 lang yung transaction or mga 50,000, wag ganun. Para sa akin na. But of course, sabi ko nga, it's based, this is my own strategy, and of course, it also, my strategy might not also fit yours. So, yeah, just i-document nyo lang or gawan nyo ng trading journal yung mga ginagawa nyo. And of course, kung ano yung fit sa inyo, yun yung i-adapt ninyo. Kung ano yung mali nyo, just take note of it para at least sa susunod ay hindi mo na yun mangyari sa'yo. And yeah, yun nga, trading and investing have risked. Lahat ng traders ay laging may kita yan at saka may lugi. So, para tumagal ka sa trading is, of course, kailangan ay magkaroon ka ng consistent na income. Consistency, it's also a subjective, so it depends. Hindi naman siya necessarily na daily na nag-trade ka. As long as, syempre yung capital, for me as long as yung capital mo at the end of the year is mas malaki kaysa sa, yung capital mo at the end of the year ay mas malaki sa initial capital mo, beginning of the year. So, it's actually parang compounding siya. Aside from compounding is, nagmo-multiply din siya. Kaya, yung sa multiplier effect, actually, yun yung ina-expect ko for cryptocurrencies kasi it actually in dollars na siya. I mean, Bitcoin talaga yung, or cryptocurrency coins talaga yung iniipon ko. And then, since traded siya in dollars, tapos umaakyat din siya. So, kapag umakyat siya, is of course, that's a multiplier effect. Magkakaroon ka pa ng dagdag na kita kaysa naman sa nakalagay sa fiat na USD. So, syempre, kahit ilang taon yan, is ganun pa rin yung value niya. Aside from, kung sa cryptocurrencies yan, kung umakyat is of course, magiging times X times pa yung fiat value nito. But then again, syempre hindi naman lahat is of course paakyat. Posible din na bumaba siya. So, but for me, long term kasi is bullish ako sa cryptocurrencies or sa digital assets. So, yeah, I think that's it. That's my strategy. So, kung may tanong kayo, just feel free to message me, and of course, you can also email me sa email ko sa video na to or just comment down below. Thanks guys!